Hi everyone, so today I'm going to be showing you how to add fractions using fraction manipulatives. Today we have the problem 3/4 plus 1/3. So first and foremost, I did choose to use fraction cubes, but you can also use your circles if you'd like. I prefer the cubes. So first off, you're going to want to find these two pieces together. That way you can see what you're trying to get as your solution. So I'm first going to find my fourths cube because this is 3/4, and I'm going to just pop one off because it's 3/4. So 1, 2, 3. And now I'm going to find my 1/3. So I look for my 1/3 right here, and actually they are 3 of them. So I'm going to take one off, take one off. Now I have 1/3, and then you're just going to combine these and see what they look like together. So just like this here, now this is 3/4 and 1/3 together. So this is what I'm trying to find for my solution. It'll be this length. So then you can kind of guess and check here. Your goal with addition is to use the least amount of different colored tiles. So you might start guessing by finding which ones you think are the longest. And this looks pretty long. Okay, so I'm lining that up, but you see it's not quite long enough. So you know that that's not going to work. You might try another one. These are my 1/5. Line those up. It's still just not quite enough. So then you might want to find something a bit bigger. This is my 1/2, and it's my 1/2 again. That's looking pretty close, but it's like a little bit short. So that tells me that 2 1/2 is a whole. So now this is perfect to use because this takes up almost the whole entire length with one color, and you want to use the least amount of different colors when you're adding fractions. So now I just need to figure out what can I put here to make this complete. And here's another time where you'll guess and check. I am going to start by guessing with my 1/8. Okay? So I'm doing that here, and actually it helps if you line it up with the front, okay? So this here is a little bit too long, but it is close. So I'm gonna try out my 1/12. Okay, now I'm gonna line it up again. That is a perfect match. Let me just push it all together. Perfect match. So what does that tell me? That tells me that this right here is my completed answer. So this was the problem put together, and this is the solution. So problem, solution. So my answer to 3/4 plus 1/3 is 1 whole and 1/12. Take that off. Final answer. Thank you for watching.